Hey friends, so let's do a check-in. Get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes, and then close your eyes. Place a hand or two over your heart. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Take another deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Now begin to bring your awareness into your body, sensing anything that might feel imbalanced or maybe uncomfortable. It can be a thought or an emotion, a sensation. Become aware of where that discomfort or imbalance is located. Bring your attention to that area. Now you can take a moment to understand what this sensation is, what this feeling is, this vibration, whatever it is. Just recognize it and understand it. Don't become immersed in the feeling or the emotion or the discomfort. You are only observing it. Look upon it with soft eyes, through the eyes of love. Begin to send love to that area. You may want to picture a violet flame surrounding that area, allowing the flame to transmute that energy, transmuting it into light. Just allow that love to flood the area, to allow that beautiful violet flame to become more luminescent. Bringing you love and healing. And just continue to breathe, allowing that breath to flow. Whatever has hurt you or harmed you or brought you this disharmony or imbalance, know that it can be transmuted and transformed into love, into light. It's okay to let go, and it's okay to heal. It's okay to love yourself. can stay here for a little bit longer. And whenever you are ready, you can just bring your awareness back into your body, back into the space. And just being gentle with yourself. No need to rush. Thank you for being here. Namaste.